What's up, guys? It's your boy Boa, back with Aruba Trip Part 3. This will be our last day at Amsterdam Manor Resort, and we are going to go eat Colombian food. But first, let's have some breakfast. So this is the second morning, and we decided not to go outside to eat breakfast. Just have a in-room breakfast, and got some, of course, coffee. We made coffee from the Nescafe red coffee that I bought from Thailand. Yeah, so good. So good, so rich. Just like Starbucks. And then we have these, we bought it from yesterday at the supermarket. Cranberry pate. Cranberry pate. It looks pretty good. I mean, I don't know how it tastes like. We'll know right now. Let's try it. Let's try it. So the bread, we got it from the supermarket also, and then they have a toaster in the rooms. This is very good pate. If you don't know what pate is, it's like, you know how when you eat a Vietnamese sandwich, they have that like a spread or sauce in the middle of the Vietnamese sandwich? That's pate. I don't know exactly what part of the animal. It could be like liver or something. I'm not sure, but pate is really good with toast. You guys gotta try this. So the next piece of toast I got is from I put peanut butter. Where's the peanut butter? Got some peanut butter here. This peanut butter is from the Netherlands. Very smooth peanut butter. There's not as much sugar as American peanut butter. I can't even read anything because it's like it's all in like Dutch or something. I can't read anything. But it feels very rich. It's quite yummy. I should have got some jam put on top. It would have tasted much better. Yeah, I'm gonna go back and get some jam. And then here, you want a muffin? This is a muffin. This is the awesome muffin we got from the supermarket. My favorite. So next we have hamon. Oh, look at this. Whoa. Almost dropped it. Okay.
Bubble pop.
Okay. Not as good as Lisbon. Not as good as Spain. Okay. The way I can describe it is how you eat it in Spain. It's like maybe like 60% of that taste. It's nowhere close at all to the real hamon. Like maybe 50 or 60%. That's it. I mean, it's alright. I mean, what do you expect? I mean, this is like, how much is this in USD? If you translate this to USD, it's only like $3 for this whole plate right here. $3. If you get a real hamon, it's like $12. So, for price, this is pretty good for the price. That's it, guys. All this whole thing probably costs like what? The whole thing, maybe like nothing, like, you know, $10 less. $3. The muffin, the bread, the pate. You saw how much the pate was. How much the pate? $4 for the pate. That's like 2 USDs. How much is that? But you get 3 people to eat. Maybe you want to eat inside your room versus going outside to eat breakfast. Yesterday when we ate breakfast, there was like a lot of flies flying around on our food, and we kept doing like this when we're eating. And then like the waiter was like, you know, so busy it was like so hard to just get like a coffee refill or like a water refill. And hello. It's just sometimes it's just much more quicker and more comfortable. I mean, of course you're saving money, but like it's just more like comfortable to just sit in your room and just eat breakfast. It's like, and you got AC here. I mean, outside there it's quite hot. If you come with a lot of people, like 2 or 3 kids, everyone has to get ready and stuff like that, you know. But if you're inside your room, you can just get everything, put it outside of food, and then whoever wants to eat, they'll just eat. So, you know, this is a good option. Really.
You hurt? Oh. Okay, not hurt.
So, that's it for the breakfast. I'll see you guys later for lunch. Today, for lunch, we're gonna have some Colombian food. This place doesn't just have Spanish food. There's also a good selection of pastas, salads, and some burgers. But if you're coming here, you really gotta eat the Spanish food. Okay guys, the food is here. So this is the seafood rice with fried plantains. Let's see. You know, I didn't even eat it yet, but I know it's really good, huh? It's like a paella, and it tastes so good. It doesn't taste like fishy. The flavor is so strong. You have to try this when you come here. Next, got the snapper, red snapper, whole. Not bad, pretty good. This is the meat platter. I saw this on Google, so I just ordered it. Do I have to tell you that it's really good? Oh. Oh. It's really tender, really soft, very juicy too. You really have to order this whole plate right here. You got the beans. What's this? This looks like fried plantain, right? You see how thin and crispy it is? There's no season on it, so it's just like plantain flavor. It's like carbs, like a potato. This is her chicken nugget. A chicken nugget. This is better than McDonald's chicken nuggets. So there you have it, guys. If you're going to Aruba, you really want to stop by here. Everything here is good. For the remainder of the day, we just hang out at the beach back at Amsterdam Manor. you are going to Aruba, I highly recommend this resort if you enjoy lounging at the beach. In the evening, we were still very full from the lunch and just decided to eat the leftovers for dinner. Tomorrow, we will be checking out of this place and going to the Renaissance Hotel, which I will show in video part 4. That's all for this video. As always, thanks for watching. I see you in the next one. Have a nice day.